Let's make some cream roast chicken in the air fryer with some vegetables. I've taken about 6 chicken leg pieces here and I've made cuts in them so the marinade can go inside. I'm gonna add 120 grams of low-fat yogurt, 100 ml of low-fat cream, a tablespoon of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, or you can use garlic paste, a teaspoon of paprika, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of oregano, some chopped coriander, or if you don't like coriander you can use parsley, a tablespoon of rapeseed oil. Mix everything. Now marinate the chicken for maybe an hour or two in the fridge, or you can marinate it overnight as well. Take the air fryer basket, place the chicken in the air fryer. It's gonna go in the air fryer 200 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. Boil some baby potatoes, broccoli and carrots in water. Heat up some oil in a pan, tablespoon of garlic. Stir fry this for about 10 seconds only. Add the vegetables, salt, paprika, black pepper. Now we are gonna stir fry these on high heat until they are like brown in color, the potatoes and vegetables, everything. It's been 25 minutes, the chicken, and we are gonna cook it from the other side for about 10 more minutes. The vegetables are done. Add some lemon juice on them. Mix them. And that's it. These are ready. Chicken is ready. So you take the vegetables and place the chicken pieces on it. Put some coriander on top and enjoy.